for very little time.
We in Somalia and as a nation will continue to learn from Germany, from your vast experience. Germany's success is a civilization that we should emulate in Somalia. A stable, I believe Germany presents the best model as they have taken this path before and perfected it into working.
In fact, as late as January '89, people from both sides embracing each other, people that have never met, and probably I would never ever had the chance to even visit Somalia at all, into half. There was practically no contact between ordinary people, as the more senior participants to this event will remember, separated. But I also saw new borders opening. I applied for the foreign service of a country that 30 years ago provided me and my country with new opportunities and a new future. That is what participation is key for social cohesion and stability. Third, while a range of invisible walls, of obstacles and challenges that prevent them from reaching their full potential. Sustainable development, of course, is only possible